Title block improvement. Starting from ZW3D 2022, you could define title block by 3 steps. First, design title block by table. Second, set related context for the target cells. Third, fill the related variables for target cells. In ZW3D 2021 or earlier versions, if you want to customize your own title block, you need to draw the table line with sketch tools separately. And insert the text and the variables one by one. However, in ZW3D 2022, you could insert table with user table function. And then edit the table with various kinds of editing tools, such as merge function. Secondly, add a linked label name. To fill the text and variable clearly and accurately in the later steps, you can add easy identifier name for target cells, such as part name. After that, you could exit the sketch level and go back to the drawing sheet. Finally, fill the title block. Go to the drawing tree, select Fill the title block. Then, you could specify the type and fill the text one by one according to the label name which you added in step 2. You could click the Link to Variable button and select a related variable. Lots of default variables already there. Then, click the Apply and OK. A new title block is created. As you can see, it is much more conveniently.